So in the movie, there is a sound. It's more of like a intense suspense builder, and it kind of sounds like footsteps walking up. I use that as one of the parts that I jump to. How I got those footsteps is drum pads. So I'm gonna aim this down real quick so you can kind of see what I'm working with. So I would take the drum pads, and I have a blue snowball mic, so I had it like here-ish, and I would just take them and just kind of go like this. And I tried it with the small one too, but I didn't get good results with this one. And then, so I did that until I found a sound that I liked, and I thought was a believable footstep. So once I got that, I just kind of put them back to back on Ableton, added a little bit of reverb to it, and off its way into the movie product.
So this is the Foley effect for kind of like a background effect of just random house creaking to make the video more kind of creepy and weird. And basically all I did for this one is I got a piano and I drug my nails across it in across the keys in an interesting fashion to make it sound like just creaking or like a door opening or just some kind of, again, random house effect. So, and that's basically all I did.